Hello, welcome to DIY This. Today we've got another video for you, and I'm going to show you how this label maker works. And yeah, it's a presser basically, like a kind of a print machine. But I'm going to show you how to make really cool labels and stuff. This printer you can use for printing photos, printing labels, you name it. As you can see, I've printed out one for me and Eva, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So on the side here we've got a label maker, and it's making labels like you can see, and on the front you've got some examples there. I'll show you how that works. Before I do that, I'm going to show you what this is. I've got a wire here. It's 1 millimeter thick and 4 meters long, sorry. And you can do multiple things with these. I've ordered it from Amazon, and you can make jewelry with it or different shapes. And we've got little beads with letters on them. And yeah, I like them. They're white plastic. There are about 100 or 200 pieces in there. So we've got double letters. And the Y is in there, and the Z is in there. And here we have their little glass tubes, essentially, different glass bottles. You've got a little glass bottle like there, miniature, and you can place a little cork in there, and you can place this on the top, and like a lid. I think it goes like this, and you place it on there. And you can place it on a necklace. You can write a message in there. Very tiny message though, or your name in there, and hang it on your neck. You can give it as a present. Alright, if you have any ideas yourself with it, then you can let us know as well. We're always open-minded for it. Here we've got something kind of similar, little glass bottles as well, with a cork, very very cute. And in the cork you've got a little hanger, and you can also put it or hang it on your necklace, or as a present, or you name it. Very cute. Right, here we're going to open this up. It's Junior. Here we are. So here you can twist it in circles so you can create the letters. Here I believe, you press there, and here you've got the roll. Black in there now. I've seen in different colors, so you can order them in different colors. That was the example. D, I, space, DIY space, inspiration. Do-it-yourself ideas or do-it-yourself inspiration. I don't know. There we go. You can't really see it that well because the eye is like all the way up and the end is not really see it that well. Maybe I didn't press it hard enough, or is it to itself? DIY is very good. The first one is really well. I think I need to do it again. I've tried it multiple times, so here you can see it's much better. Eva and Kathy. And now I'm going to cut it off. It's quite a press. And that works out really well. As you can see, it looks really nice and it's very clear. We'll probably come up with more videos with more ideas about this. And yeah, I think it works out really well. It's quite a force that you need to use. I'm not sure what the difference is between junior and the actual, well, the other one. Well, we might be able to find out. At least it does work, which is good. And yeah, if you've got any questions or comments, please write them down below. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe to our channel down below as well for free. And always be the first one to be informed about new videos. And hopefully we'll see you soon next time at DIY Ideas. Have a good day. Bye.